Hey there, future virtual assistants. Welcome back to your Aspiring VA series. I'm Cranberry, your virtual assistant navigator on this exciting journey to VA greatness. Today, we're opening the treasure chest and uncovering the gems that make your virtual assistant journey smoother than a dolphin's glide. Get ready to master essential tools for virtual success. Trust me, folks, this episode is your backstage pass to becoming a VA rockstar. Let's kick things off with a dose of wisdom. Every superhero has their toolkit, and as a VA, yours is digital and dazzling. Today, we're going beyond the basics. We're talking about the virtual tools that elevate you from just good to spectacular. Communication isn't just the key. It's the entire treasure chest. We're diving into tools like Slack and Zoom, transforming distances into mere pixels. With these tools, you'll be weaving seamless conversations with clients and collaborators, turning the virtual world into your playground. Organizing chaos with precision. It's time to get organized, my fellow virtual assistants. As a VA, juggling tasks and managing time is your daily bread. Say hello to tools like Asana and Trello. They're like the virtuoso conductors of your symphony of tasks, keeping everything harmonious and on track. Elevate your skills with specialized tools. Want to design jaw-dropping graphics or craft prose as smooth as butter? Enter Canva and Grammarly. These specialized tools are your trusty sidekicks, helping you create visuals that dazzle and content that sings, all while keeping pesky typos at bay. Now for the action steps to becoming a tool master. Ready to become the maestro of your virtual toolkit? Here's your action plan. Ready for action? Number 1, identify tools that align with your niche and skills. Number 2, test them out to find your favorites. Remember, compatibility is key. Number 3, dedicate time to master these tools because knowing them like the back of your hand is the real game changer. Your virtual success journey has just gotten a turbo boost. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Aspiring VA series. Your toolkit is your path to virtual superstardom, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. That's a wrap on mastering essential tools for virtual success, my remarkable future virtual assistants. Remember, your tools are your allies, your partners in this virtual dance. Join me next time for episode 5, where we'll dive deep into the enchanting world of setting your rates. We got to talk about that money. Until then, gear up, get tech savvy, and let your virtual journey soar. Bye, guys. Guys, please take note that the Virtual Assistant 101 course is now live. So if you love this type of content, you want to be certified, you want some more in-depth information, don't hesitate to register for this course. Trust me, you will not regret it.